everyone. I'm glad you're here to see Rhyme Time, and we are going to start out with Little Mouse. So today we have a white, did you say white? Of course, house and a red house. All right, let's start our, I think I will go with the red house. Okay. Little mouse, are you in the red house? Should we knock on the door or ring the doorbell? Ding dong. I think we'll knock. And we're going to count. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Little mouse. Nobody's in the door. There's Little Mouse. All right, shall we check and see the White House too? All right, here we go. Little mouse, are you in the White House? I think this time I'll ring the doorbell. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3. Nothing in the door. Oh, do you know what that is? Is it a lamb or a sheep? Oh, good job. I think we will put Little Mouse right here. And today I'm going to talk to the parents for a few minutes. You know, I thought since you are at home, maybe you would like to have a musical instrument that you can use when we do Rhyme Time. So I'm going to tell you how to make a very simple thing, a shaker. Now you can make a shaker using a empty water bottle. You can use a container, or you can even use a plastic egg. So you can fill it up with beads like I did this one, or you could put in rice or pebbles or dried beans, anything that will make noise when you shake it. If you do not have anything at home, we are going to make some do-it-yourself shaker kits. And you can pick them up at the library. You can use our curbside pickup so you don't even have to come inside. Just be sure you call the library and tell them before you get here so they'll have it ready for you. And then you can have your very own shaker. I'm just going to say that they are made up of small objects. So parents, please supervise your children because sometimes small objects have a way of escaping and we don't want anyone to get hurt. All right, so here's my shaker. I made it. I put in some beads. I put duct tape around it to reinforce it, and I put some stickers on to decorate it. So if you have a shaker at home, you can shake it with this next song, or you can watch the video again after you have your shaker. All right, so Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and can't tell where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. Oh, and there are our sheep. Can we count them? 1, 2, 3. You are right, there are 3 sheep. So now we are going to play a little lamb game. All right, are you ready? Little lamb, where have you been? I've been to play with another lamb friend. Where did you go and what did you do? We played a lamb game, 2 by 2. Take 1 step forward, take 2 steps back, 1, 2, turn all around, jump front, jump back. This little lamb game is not hard to do. Just follow along and do it too. All right, so now we are going to do a song about a person who had a little lamb, and you can use your shakers. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Yay! Shake your shaker up high. Shake your shaker down low. Good job. All right, so we are going to put our shakers down now. And so now we are going to do another song. And if you know the words or you learn them as you go along, just please sing along with me because I really hate singing by myself. All right, so here we go. Mary had a little white lamb, little white lamb, little white lamb. Mary had a little white lamb whose fleece was as white as snow. And look, there we have our snowflake. Oh, I think we might have to move over the lamb. There we go. Mary had a little green lamb, little green lamb, little green lamb. Mary had a little green lamb whose fleece was as green as grass. Mary had a little pink lamb, little pink lamb, little pink lamb. Mary had a little pink lamb whose fleece was as pink as a flower. Oh, all right. Well, we are running out of room here. Let's see if we can move some lambs over. Here we go. All right. Mary had a little blue lamb, little blue lamb, little blue lamb. Mary had a little blue lamb whose fleece was as blue as the sky. Oh, well, I just had a great time today, but now it's time to sing our favorite song. So stand up. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Boom, boom. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Boom, boom. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. Boom, boom. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray. Well, I hope you had a good time, and maybe you can tell your friends to watch us too here at the Wooddale Library. And you can go back and watch the old episodes too. All right, so have a good day. Bye.